This is the quick and clean Keurig K-Cup cleaner. These things work really great. I've been using these for a long time in this Keurig machine here. You get 6 of these cups for each box here. Just a really simple process. Just put it in here and just run it on the highest amount of the 12 ounce here. And we'll just start it up here. You can see it just gets a lot of grit and stuff out of here. It just cleans everything up nicely. Very pleased with this stuff. It works really great. Like I said, you get 6 of these out of here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna run this, and then after it gets everything out, you're just gonna run one more cycle of just water, and then you're good to go. This is a lot better than running like vinegar through here. It just does a really great job. You can see here, it's just filling it up. You'd see it just, it's like a yellowy color here. It's just pretty nasty what goes inside there. It's just pretty sick what comes out of there. But once you run this through here, it cleans it fresh. We run this through here probably once a month, and we're very pleased with it. This way you don't have to run the vinegar through here, which we do sometimes, but this just works really great. It just makes the coffee taste a lot better. It cleans out the lines. I'm just very pleased with this stuff. So this is the quick and clean 6-pack of the Keurig cleaner here. You can see the water here, definitely like a dirty yellow color. Highly recommend picking these up if you have a Keurig machine. They work really great.